With our new set of job transactions in SimTrans, we can easily facilitate moving data from your ERP system into the SigmaNest environment. Here we show the job new transaction to create a new job, and we can see that the new job is automatically created inside SigmaMRP or SigmaQUOTE. Other transactions can be used to add items to the job. Those items can be in the form of SigmaNest parts, standard shape parts, item masters, or even assemblies. And then we'll see those items were automatically added to the job. If we're using a quoting workflow, then we can use the job edit transaction to change the job status from draft quote to quote status, so it can be sent out to our customers. We can then use the job edit transaction again to change the job status from quote to order. And then we can see the job status has been automatically updated to order status. And we can also see that the SigmaNest work order was automatically created.